What's the meaning of blue note? Blue note. Blue note.
Blue note. Blue note. The term blue note refers to a specific type of musical tone that is often used in jazz, blues, and other related genres. It is typically characterized by a slightly flattened third, fifth, or seventh note in a musical scale, which creates a unique and somewhat melancholic sound. This technique is sometimes referred to as bending or sliding the note, and it is often used to convey a feeling of sadness or longing in the music. The term blue note has become synonymous with this type of musical expression, and it has become an important part of the cultural heritage of many communities around the world.